Hey guys, and welcome. This is another tutorial video on installing DHCP on Windows Server 2008. Now, first thing you want to do is you want to go on Server Manager. Then you want to click Roles. You would like to add a role. Alright, let's click Next. And you look for your DHCP server. Okay. Now you know click Next on there. We'll have a whole introductory to the DHCP server. You can read that if you want. You click Next. Yes, so you want to set it up for your IPv4 network adapter. So with the IP address 192.168.0.1, click Next as well. Alright, well, my parent domain is edward.com. Preferred DNS server 192.168.0.1. That will also be my DNS server when I'm setting up my DNS. Next. Wins is not required for this. Okay, so now you want to add a range. So me, I'm just going to name it Edward Network. Okay, my starting range 192.168.0.2, ending in 192.168.0.14. Subnet mask 255.255.255. Oh wait, no. My mistake there. Subnet mask 255.255.255.240. Default gateway. .1. Okay. Good. Now this is my scoop for my network. It will connect devices from the IP addresses on .2 to .14. Okay. No, disable DHCP6. We will not be using DHCP6 at all. Next, current name. I wrote that administrator. Perfect. Alright. My bad there. Alright. Use current credentials, which is my administrator account, Edward. I'm going to click next. I know this is going to give you a full overview of everything that we've just covered through the installation. Well, not through the installation, but through setting up the installation. Okay, as you can see, everything here, network bindings, the scope and everything. Voila. You're going to click install. Now, this will be for a while. So I'm going to cut the video here. I'm going to resume when this has finished installing. Okay. Alright. Now after the installation process was an confirmation message just telling you that everything has been installed. Unfortunately, I have clicked that off and got a record. This is the manager. This is the DHCP settings. You can go in here, but what you are about to do, you're going to close this off. Yeah. Click Start button. Administrative Tools, DHCP. And when you open the DHCP, this will get all your DHCP options. As you can see, scope, that network, and active. You can see the address pool, address pieces, reservations, and scope options. And that is how you install DHCP on Windows Server 2008. Thanks for watching.